Hi everyone, here we've got WIEPPO S5 and let me show you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and let's find the settings. Here let's scroll to the security and scroll down a little again. As you can see here, we've got unknown sources option. So in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher right next to it. Now your device is warning you that your phone and personal data are more vulnerable to attack by apps from unknown sources. If you agree, click on OK. And as you can see, the unknown sources are active, and from now on you will be able to download something from unknown sources. So that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your WIEPPO S5. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.